Hey, welcome back to 22 DIY. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. I'll leave all of the supplies for this video down in the description box below. Okay, so first up, I lost the beginning part of this footage. Sorry about that, but I just started off with some of the larger sized ornaments and glued those on top. And then I just started gluing the ornaments down the side, creating the shape that I wanted. Okay, so now that I have all of the ornament pieces on, I'm going to add in these vase filler pieces. So this is how it looks with just the ornaments and the vase filler so far. Okay, so next up I'm going to take these buttons from Hobby Lobby and this Dollar Tree mirror and some vase filler, and I'm going to glue some of this vase filler down on the mirror. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding the buttons. Now I'm just going to add a thin layer of hot glue around the rim of this glass and glue it down. Next, I took some of these snowflake ornaments that I got from the Hobby Lobby and glued those in a couple different spots. And lastly, I took some of these pebbles from the Hobby Lobby and glued them around the rim of the mirror. Alright, and this is how this turned out. I really love the way this came out. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite part is, as well as what you'd like to see from me next. Make sure you share this video with a friend. And don't forget to check out my other holiday decor video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.